Hey guys, so we are going to be going through SF9's Photobook. You can't even see the L or the IE here, but I think it's like limit, I don't know. Our glorious days, but this is a huge thick photo book. Let's see if I can find a spot to actually rip it open. There we go. Alright. So here's the side. Ooh. Back. The other side. Okay, the second book did not go out. Come on. Here we go. Ooh, I don't like have anywhere to put this. Okay. So, for the photo book, let's open this little box that was towards the back. So it's like a little goodie box. Alright. I don't have enough space on this table for such a big photo book, so I'm sorry, but this is just gonna sit in the screen. Alright, so it looks like we get maybe a huge folded poster. Ugh. Okay, so it looks like we get a member, huge, I guess, like individual poster. And then it looks like we get a folded poster. And here's the top half and the bottom half. Because I know it's all not going to fit on screen. Maybe if I go this way, maybe I see it all. Oh, it's tight, but a little bit. Okay. Alright, now I know we're pretty zoomed far out to look at these other items, so we'll look at them at the end so I don't have to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. So we'll go through the photo book and then we'll look at those extra spare little goodies at the end. Oh, look how pretty this is. Woo. Alright. I love huge photo books. Love photo books. Is that like a little mole on his ear? I never noticed that. I think it would have been cool to see SF9 on the Road to Kingdom show. I think they would have done really well. Because I always think SF9's really good, like, performance, dance. pages are so thick, I keep thinking I'm like skipping a page or something. Oh, these look so nice. Ooh. These are pretty. You can see mine stuck right here. Aww. Ooh. These ones are really nice. These outdoor ones. He's so adorable. I was gonna say, when are we gonna get some group shots? Oh, I haven't had s'mores in so long. Ooh. Aww, it's the end. Alright. Now let's zoom in for these goodies. Alright, so let's start with the, we got this one. So we have a disc. In terms of subtitles, I have no idea. I didn't see anything that stated. Let's go back into the other container. Alright, so now we have like postcards. Oh, they say stuff on the back. Okay. No, I want all of them, not just one. There we go. Well, it's like some of the, say something on the back. Let's see what we have next. I don't know what this is. Maybe like a question and answer, or a question answer type thing. These are the three I got. It looks like there's some randomness to the goodies here. Okay, looks like we get some photo cards. Always my favorite part. I love some photo cards. Oop, give me here. There we go. And then we have a string. And I see little holes, but these are very like Polaroid style, so it's a nice cream color. There's like holes here, so I want to say it's almost like a banner. Like you'd almost make a banner with these, maybe. I'm not sure. Alright. Yeah. There we go. And that is pretty much all of our little goodies. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I love me some photo books. They're like some of my favorite probably K-pop items that I own. Like these like photo books. But there are some albums with some amazing photo books out there too. But let me know what you thought of the photo book and the little goods in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite kind of good is to get. Mine, of course, is photo cards. I love me some photo cards, especially when they're all creative and have something special going on with them. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until our next video, bye guys.